All right, welcome back to another fun-filled and exciting episode of It's Easier to Take It Somewhere Else. I see my wheelbarrow got tipped over. Maybe it was the squirrels. Not quite sure where we left off. It's been a few days. I think it was the press, the placing of the press, and the unboxing of the 20-ton bottle jack. Before I did the press, I did get these pieces welded in. I just didn't show it because you've already seen the front. So, that being said, I don't know what I'm going to do today. I do know I'm going to be sanding some of this and priming this so it does not rust. What I'm going to do after that, I'm not exactly sure. All right. I just ran out of primer. I just got back from Aces the Place. I had to pick up new primer. I'm using Rust-Oleum Automotive Primer in the can, in the spray can. I'm not, you see the dents, I'm not doing any body work. I just want to protect the bare metal spots, particularly the weather strip channels from rusting. Not that I expect a whole lot of rusting to take place in the garage, but if I ever have to pull it out sometime before spring or whatever, even if it's only for a day or two, just want to protect it. Well, that's it. I don't know what I'm going to be doing right now, but this is it for the any welding, as far as major welding goes on for the bug. Well, this is it as far as any major welding goes on. All the holes that I could see were patched up. And welded, yeah. I got the front end done, got the new struts, new strut inserts rather, not the new struts. Shocks all around, yeah. I think my next step is going to be the engine. Way up there. There we go. I think that's going to be my next step. I'm going to start maybe taking some sheet metal off. I don't really, like I think I said once before, I don't want to do any body work with the during the winter with the doors closed, because there's just going to be way too much dust flying around, and there's not going to be any way to get rid of it. So come springtime, I'll be able to open the doors, and so that's about it. That's it for the working on the bug itself. Looks like it's mechanical time, or engine time.